Hi, my name is Aaron Ho, and in this video we're going to be talking about the microscope. So some properties of the microscope include magnification of small objects. So with the microscope we're able to look at things that we normally can't look at with the naked eye. So let's go over some of the parts of the microscope here. Starting from the top, we have the ocular lens. So the ocular lens is the eyepiece in which we will look through, and it's going to contribute to some of the magnification of the image we're looking at. So this is going to be one of the two lenses that will be used to magnify the slide of the microscope. So next up, we're going to have the objective lens over here. We have four different objective lenses. We're going to have the 4x, the 10x, the 40x, and the 100x. So starting from the lowest, we're going to have the image zoomed out compared to 100x, which is going to be the highest level of magnification. So the higher you go in number, the more magnified the image you're looking at will be. Moving on, we have the adjustment knobs over here. We're going to have two different types of adjustment knobs. We're going to have the coarse adjustment knob and the fine adjustment knob, two in total. So for the coarse adjustment knob, that's going to be the first one used whenever you focus a slide under a microscope. You're going to use the coarse adjustment knob to find the initial focus, and you're going to fine tune it using the fine adjustment knob to get a clear resolution photo or image of the slide. Over here we have the stage. The stage is going to be right under the objective lenses, as the slide will sit on the stage and be secured on the stage. And over here we have the light source. So there's going to be a light bulb in here which shines light under the stage to the slide. This will allow us to have a clear view of the image, and without the light source we would not be able to see anything on the microscope slide. So it will appear dark without a light source. Moving on, we're going to talk about why we use oil whenever using the 100 times objective lens. So whenever you use the 100 times objective lens, the magnification is so high and it's going to be so close to the slide that there's going to be a lot of light being refracted off. So with the use of oil in the oil immersion lens, the oil prevents and reduces the amount of light that is refracted whenever it shines under the microscope slide. So with the oil, it will make the image of the slide a lot more clear. So without the use of oil, all the light will continue to be refracted and the image will be unclear and unfocused, and you wouldn't be able to see it as clear. And that is the overview of the microscope.